Okay, this software is 3D scanners software that we use to scan in real time. You've got we manufacture car seat covers, so we scan the car interiors. This is the front seat. I'll show you the rear seat in a mo. So it's scanned in three parts: the front section, the back, and the side. See there, you've got quite a bit of scan missing because that's where the centre console and the gear stick is. I used to have somebody else doing the scanning for me, but they've left the company, so I'm doing it myself now, which is I've only done it about 5 or 6 times, so I'm still learning. Scan quality isn't great, but I don't suppose it's too bad. Okay, so you've got these three parts. These need snapping. You've got these pink datum points to enable you to snap it together. We usually do the snapping in this software. You can do it in GeoMagick, but we found it a bit easier in here, and then we send it through to GeoMagick to run the global registration just to reduce the error. So you'll have those 3 scans there. That's the front headrest. There's quite a bit of missing data there. I suppose that can still be filled though. So that's that. And then that's the scan once it's been snapped together. So see, definitely missing data there, but because this is symmetrical, that can be just chopped in half anyway. We do 2 types. We do a 3-piece design, so you'll have a separate headrest, separate backrest and seat base, and then we do a 1-piece. So this headrest has been snapped to the model for the 1-piece design. Okay, so I suppose that's the typical quality, but I am improving all the time. That's a boot liner. Okay, this is the rear seat. Again, that'll be the facing. This is the rear seat folded down, so that's the backrest folded down, and that's the seat base folded up. You can see on this seat you'd need to separate that part there, and this seat base doesn't actually have any datums on there. So I couldn't get access to them, so that will have to be manually snapped in GeoMagick. The backrest panel has got some datums on there. That can be snapped to this boot section backrest, and that will lift the backrest into the vertical position, and then that can be put. Well, it won't even need snapping because it's already in the vertical position, so that then can be merged to this file. That's a headrest. Again, there's a fair bit of missing data, so you know what you're letting yourself in for, I suppose. for the rear seat, like I say, I've only done this about 4 or 5 times. I should have just scanned the 60% side, because the 40% is always will finish on that seam point there. So when that is mirrored over, that will be that section there. So you just need to do the 60% and then put your plane line on there and cut that off. Okay, so that's a typical rear seat. The boot liner, well, at the moment I'm just interested in the front and the rear seat. Okay. That's the front. That's the front with the headrest integral. So the front's been snapped and then made into a solid with the headrest. So I'd need one of those. And that's without the headrest. There's the final CAD model ready to be sent, saved as an IGES file. And then this is that's the separate front headrest. And that's pretty much what I'm looking for. So someone who's definitely used to point clouds, who can snap scans together and then produce the solid nurbs file. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye.